Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to charge a phone with another phone. So this is gonna be the source and I'm gonna charge this phone which is off right now. So for this you will need an OTG cable. You need to make sure you get the right connection or the right connector for your phone. This is the OTG adapter. You need this, and of course you need your charging cable. This is gonna be the source, so I'm gonna connect my OTG adapter and I'm gonna connect my phone like this. As you can see, this phone is charging right now. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna disconnect this. It also works with iPhones, so it's gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna connect my iPhone. My iPhone is charging right now. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you today quickly. Please subscribe, leave your comments. If you have any questions, have a good day.